What if I told you that the Philippines posted a 63% surge in electric vehicle sales in just 1 month? And that's just the start. 3.4 billion market value in 2025, 50% government EV goal by 2040, and 2,500 ride-hailing electric vehicles on Philippine roads. Why the electric vehicle boom is real and unstoppable. Here are seven data-backed forces transforming the Philippine automotive market in 2026. EVIDA plus zero import tariff until 2028. The landmark Electric Vehicle Industry Development Act, or EVIDA, laid the legal framework for the entire EV ecosystem. Then, Executive Order number 12 extended zero tariff rates on all EVs, e-motorcycles, e-bicycles, and hybrid units until 2028. Charging network expanding nationwide. From roughly 1,100 charging stations today, the Department of Energy is targeting 7,300 public EV charging stations nationwide by 2028. That is a 563% increase. Well, charging is coming to malls, condos, offices, and expressways, and even gasoline stations, eliminating range anxiety for every Filipino commuters. Market competition. Electric vehicle price competition is intensifying and is making electric vehicle more affordable for the local buyers. In fact, EV cars under 1 million pesos are now a reality in the Philippine market. Ride hailing and fleet going all electric. Grab Philippines launched a major EV taxi fleet in Metro Manila and is actively expanding to Davao and Cagayan de Oro. Corporate and fleet buyers now represent a massive structural demand that didn't exist 3 years ago. Running an EV is 50% cheaper. No oil changes, fewer brake replacements, simpler drivetrains. Electric vehicle maintenance runs approximately 50% lower than traditional internal combustion engine vehicles over a 5-year period. With Philippine gasoline prices still volatile and the country importing over 90% of its petroleum, switching to electric is both a money saver and a hedge against energy insecurity. In addition, electric vehicles also produce 50% fewer lifetime carbon emission. That is a powerful ESG and personal selling point. Corporate ESG driving bulk adoption. Filipino corporations racing to meet environmental social governance standards are replacing entire fleets with electric vehicles. Public awareness is surging. Actually, 45% of Filipino drivers are now considering an electric vehicle as their next vehicle, according to Frost and Sullivan data. Analysts say that there is a significant room for growth as green sentiment reaches mainstream consumers, especially the rising millennial and Gen Z buyer base. A bold 20.57 billion roadmap is fully funded. The Department of Energy ambitious target 50% of all Philippine vehicles to be electric by 2040. That is equivalent to approximately 2.45 million units. The market is forecasted to explode from 3.4 billion in 2025 to 20.57 billion by 2034. 2026 may be remembered as the year the Philippine EV tipping point was crossed. Electric vehicle type breakdown. 79% is hybrid EV or HEV. Battery EV or BEV is 14%, and plug-in hybrid or PHEV is 7% market share. So BEV share is rising fast. The expectation is with some BEV units or with some BEV options under 1 million pesos, industry is expecting that BEV will surpass HEV in the market share by 2026. The electric future is already here. The Philippines is not just riding the wave, it's building the wave. With so many incentives, the Evida law, with zero tariff, market intensifying price, 7,300 public charges goal by Department of Energy in 2028, and a government-backed 20 billion roadmap. 2026 may be the tipping point. The question is, are you making the switch? Thank you for watching.